Can you guess where we are today? This sun is blinding. Yeah, we're on the sunny side of Canmore in the Cougar Creek neighbourhood. We've got a beautiful single family home behind me. It's on a corner lot and it gets all the sun.
And all that beautiful sunshine floods straight into your main living area.
This is a super cute single family home. It's an open concept main living space, and with that south facing corner aspect, you get views from every single window on this level. This kitchen is perfect for entertaining. We've got lots of seating space here and it flows beautifully into your dining room and main living space. But the best part about this for me is when you're doing the dishes, you've got great views of Rundle Mountain and Cascade Mountain. It doesn't get better than this.
Oh, I don't know, Richard. If you want views, this is the best spot to enjoy them.
You know what, Sophie? I think you're probably right. We've got this incredible backyard. Sophie was in the gazebo, and as you can see, it looks out with those unobstructed views of all the mountain ranges on the south side. It's fully fenced, it's super private, and the best part for me is this incredible workshop. This is the perfect Canmore shed. It's huge, lots of space for bikes and skis. You've got a really nice view of the mountains too while you're working at your workbench. It's a great feature of this home.
And you also have a parking pad at the side of the property that fits 3 vehicles and it's accessed just off your backyard.
So we have a side split house here. We're going to go just up a few steps now and show you the bedrooms. Have we said already that this house has lots of natural light?
Sun and views. Just a few steps down from your main level, you have access to your laundry, a 3-piece bathroom, as well as this large bedroom.
And just a few more stairs down from where Sophie was in that 3rd bedroom, the house opens up again. We've got this wonderful family room with gas stove and an additional room for the grown family that could be a 4th bedroom or a really nice office.
As always, thanks for watching.
If you have any questions about this house or any others in Canmore, our contact information is just below. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We have some great videos coming in the next few weeks.